So I'm starting our today's session now. So today I will explain two concepts. One is master weeks and another is 1, 2, 3 rules. CWRV 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3 rules, that means we have to analyze three candlestick, and after analyzing three candlestick we have to place our trade in the fourth candle. Okay. So when we see the market condition like this type of uptrend market from any basement, then we have to follow one thing, that we have to find out a strongness and weakness both. So we have to find out a strongness by the buyer side in the uptrend market and weakness by the seller side. Then only we can analyze three candlestick and we can place in the fourth candle. That will give us a very, very perfect result, perfect winning ratio. So, and in the downtrend market, we have to find out the weakness sign by the buyer side and a strongness sign by the seller side. And then we have to place our trade to the direction of the trend after analyzing. Okay. So several things we have to follow. First of all, suppose this movement first. This is a strong movement by the buyer side. So we already know that if any level and that level breakout happen, or there is no level, that time we have to find out the level, 50% level, round number level, or any types of level that breakout happen, or there is no level, then 50% level. So now if we get this type of candlestick, two candlestick, and that candle volume low, like this candle and this candle, or and volume condition like this type of, and sometimes we will get this size volume, and then second candle that on this size. That means this bearish candlestick volume little high first time, then second time low, or step by step low. This candlestick volume high, then low, then low. Any types of situation. That means the last candle by the seller side, that volume is low. So we already know that what may happen in this pullback situation. If there level and that level breakout happen, we don't have any opportunity. But if we see there is a level and 50% level that failed to break, so then we can expect next candle up. Okay, so now when market create this candlestick, so we size candlestick market creating, that situation we have to follow. So if we see this size candlestick with high volume, okay, so it was uptrend market previously, and then market was just reversing, but when market create these two candlestick, we already got this two candlestick volume, second candlestick volume low. That means there is anomaly here. In this case, we have opportunity here from 50% level to the upward direction, and there is no supply here. So that means from this demand area, demand already start again. So we are getting two situations here. One is very strong situation here by the buyer side first time, and then second time overall seller situation weak, and then buyers again stronger. That means overall buyers condition is stronger than the sellers conditions are weak here in this case. Okay, so when we see this type of situation, now in this condition, we can mark here this one as a first candle, second candle, and then this is the third candle. So now we can take our decision which direction we can place our trade. Okay. So first time, what happened here in this case? In this case, sellers looking like stronger here. Maybe there's sellers entry point area, or so maybe there's sellers entry point area or rejection or something like that, and then sellers volume looking high here, next candle down. But in this case, sellers try it best to break this level, but it failed. Buyers again enter and it closed this candlestick above the support level. That means this time buyers again is stronger in this case. So when buyers are stronger from the support area, buyers entered in the market finally. And when buyers entered in the market with high volume, that means this is our first confirmation that is from any basement, buyers are strongly going up. And this is the weakness sign by the seller side, and then buyers again stronger. So first time, so this candlestick in this case, we can tell that in this case, sellers are stronger. That's why next candle fall down. Now in this case, sellers are now weak. That's why from that area, buyers again entered in the market. And now in the third candlestick, buyers are again stronger. So when this situation happen, so now we can expect next candle up. But there are some other terms related to it. Okay, there are some other terms related to it. Okay, what's the term here? So its breakout happened. So now this 1, 2, 3 confirmation giving us one confirmation. This 1, 2, 3 concept giving us one confirmation, that is the buyers both time, in this case here and here, buyers are weak after buyers are stronger after weakness sign by the seller side. So that's why we can go with the buyers. That is the volume confirmation. CWRV giving us CWRV 1, 2, 3 rules giving us confirmation that we can go with the buyers here now. Okay. So we can place our trade below this level here to the upward directions. Why we have to take margin of safety in this case? Because there are some other situation happening here. It's if we analyze these 3 candlestick or even these 2 candlestick, that is a setup here. That is outside bar setup, and previous level, that level breakout happened. So when breakout happened, so market may fill up this gap by creating another bearish candlestick. After that, market may go up, or market may retest that level and finally it may go up. So any situation may happen in this case. So that's why our entry point little below this breakout level here to the upward direction. So that is one thing, and that is one situation of the market. Okay. So now another situation. So in the case of last stage, or in the case of when there is extreme sellers entry point area. So in this situation, if we see same situation, everything is same, but the candle size, this size, candles very, very weak, and it got rejected already from here. This is the rejection point. Or even if we get any round number level here, okay, let me draw perfectly. Okay. So if we get any level, round number level, or there is extreme sellers entry point area, or even here there is extreme sellers entry point area. So from that area, market got rejected first time. And this is not the early stage. Already market created several waves to the same direction, and market came back to that area. That is sellers entry point area, extreme sellers entry point area, sellers zone. Okay. So then market create this candlestick, and it got rejected from here with high volume. That means we have to take this situation as a strong situation by the seller side, and that is now a very strong situation by the seller side in this case. Why? Because after getting rejection from that extreme sellers entry point area, sellers increase its volume. So that's why when this situation happening here at the last stage, so we can expect next candle down. Okay. So when next candle, it may little large size candlestick, or it may like 50%, it may hit 50% level or close above 50% level. It's not a big issue. Just market create another bearish candlestick with low volume. It's okay. So first time we are getting sellers stronger in this case because of extreme sellers entry point area, rejection, and then volume high. So now we can expect next candle down. So now already sellers entered in the market and it already created a bearish candlestick. So first time strongness situation, but second time weakness situation here by the seller side. Now when sellers are weak here, by this time buyers entered in the market. Buyers entered in the market and it already got rejected from this area or even this area or this area. It created this size wicks here. And sometimes we will get high volume. So high volume. So that doesn't mean that when market at the early stage, that situation and this situation is same. No, that is the totally different situation. So what's the situation here? In this case, buyers try it best. Buyers try it best to create here this size candlestick or even breakout happen or market may go up even this type of little upper rejection. So market got rejected and this rejection, these weeks break this previous level. So that may also happen. And then market fall, sellers again enter from here, it pushed the market down and it closed below this area. So now this volume is high. That means in this situation, sellers are stronger, not these buyers. Buyers are weak here in this case, that is the weak candlestick, and this area is a strong sellers area, and sellers already entered in this candlestick by these weeks, by this rejection, and they increase this volume. That means sellers volume high here. So when market create that type of situation, we don't have any opportunity to go up. So we have to just, when market create that type of situation in this last stage of the market, so there is now no opportunity here to place or trade to the upward direction. More possibility market may fall down from here. It may create a basement. By this basement, it may create double top pattern, and then market break neckline and market fall down also. So I'm not talking about the early stage of the market. When market at the last stage here, the last area, already market creates so many waves, like 3-4 waves to the same direction, and then buyers are already hit the sellers area, then market create this type of situation. So even market may create this situation and then volume low here. So volume high or volume low, we will not take that situation. We will not place any trade here to the upward direction. In this case, market may fall down. But when we can take very easily when it's the early stage of the market and market creating little large candlestick here that breaking the previous level, that one, and there is no extreme sellers entry point area here. So now market creating this situation. So that's the situation we can take, and with high volume, So now we can take that situation as a 1, 2, 3 rules, and we can place our trade here to the upward direction. So we can take several confirmations from here. This is also another color sense rules here, color sense situation here, that is red and then green. So when market create that situation from a support level with high volume and the breakout happen, so that is the strongness sign by the buyer side. that is a strongest sign by the buyer side. So two strong situation, and in this area sellers are weak. So definitely we can place an order here by following just key level to the direction of the trend. But when market create that situation, same situation at the last stage of the market, that will create a problem here exactly at this sellers area. So this is the 1, 2, 3 analysis. We can easily take this. If anybody want to analyze here, like in this case here or in this case here, so it will not give us a very perfect result, 1, 2, 3. But if we add here the weeks analysis, if we find out any master weeks, that can also give us a strong situation here, and that can also give us a perfect result. So but in this case, if we see or if we observe from the market, one party stronger, another party weak, then first party again stronger. In this case of downtrend market, first time the sellers is stronger, and then second time buyers weak. Buyers show its weakness. Buyers show its weakness. Okay. So when buyer showing its weakness, so that is the situation. Then we have to wait for another strong sign. So if market give us another strong sign with high volume, so that will lead the market to the downward direction. So that is also a very
Yes.
perfect situation, because
I was about to ask,
yeah,
what if, for instance, for the 1, 2, 3 rolls, the opposite party, let's say, crosses below the 50% level and there's no level below, but the next candle still goes up and creates a high volume.
yes, yes. Suppose this is 50% level, even suppose there was previous level that was round number level, okay? Or there was
Okay.
any another level, like any level. So that breakout happened, and then this candlestick again break, okay? Like this type of situation, this type of situation, okay?
Yes.
And then now we have to follow just only one thing, that is it breaking this level again by creating high volume or not, like this type of, okay? If it
Okay.
break all this level with high volume, so from the last level we have to place our trade below that level to the upward direction of the trend. And
Okay.
if we see there is no breakout, sellers create a after breakout of the sellers, buyers creating a very weak candlestick, and that is below the breakout level.
Then there's no opportunity.
There is no opportunity here to go up, okay? Because already it create opposite pattern here, inside bar pattern, downtrend market inside bar pattern, okay? More possibility,
Yeah.
if we face there is extreme seller entry point area, so more possibility it may create high lower high and down market movement, high low lower high lower low, it will create that type of situation, okay? So
Okay.
and when we see this type, suppose this type of situation happen here, that breaking the upper level here like this one, and then sometimes it may also happen that next kind of little jump down below this level, and then market may fall down with high volume. So that is also perfect. That is also perfect, because previously it breakout happened. After breakout, it will act as a support level, but market is keeping this support level by jumping down, okay? By jumping down.
Okay.
So it came
Yeah.
below the resistance level. Now this was now after jumping, it's a resistance level now. So from that resistance level, sellers push the market down, and it just create a strong bearish candlestick with high volume, okay? That will also happen. Okay, now this candlestick volume is this one and this one, this candlestick volume, this one. So that is also create a a strong situation by the seller side. Two confirmations. First one is from here. That is the early stage of the market with a strong pressure to the sell side. It's a strong momentum. After that, buyers entered in the market. It's okay, but it's just creating a low volume and showing weakness. So we may get anomaly here. We may get no demand signal here, and after that, when sellers again entered in the market, now we may get any pattern here. That is the engulfing pattern. That is the outside bar pattern. That is the evening star pattern. So any pattern with high volume, just we have to follow the key levels and then we have to place our trade, because already volume given us a signal that sellers are again stronger after both sides stronger here and here also, and this is the weakness sign by the buyer side. That's why you can place our trade here to the direction of the trend. Okay, now when we want to trade to the direction of the trend by this type of momentum situation, okay, momentum situation, market creating this size candlestick and like this type of candlestick market creating, okay, and when we are observing each and every candlestick volume, the last three candlestick volume is like this type of last three candlestick volume are like first candlestick volume is low, and then second candlestick volume is little high, and then third candlestick volume is like this one, this type of, okay, that means it's a validated situation, not any anomaly. It's a validated situation, and then market, we have to follow the wicks. Now we have to follow the rejection, upper rejection and the lower rejection. So if we see, if we observe, suppose we can consider if we see there is no rejection here, but if there is rejection, then it's a very perfect one. Rejection little bit, and then second rejection is little larger than first one, and then third last rejection is little like this type of, it's looking like a 50% rejection, and then market create this size candlestick. Okay, so this is a sequence, just step by step. The rejection is increasing here, that means rejection larger here, and then same situation like this one, and then this one. Okay, so if we see that type of situation, lower wicks and upper wicks, and the volume is a validate, so that time this is setup and this is a setup of CWRV. So this is called the master wicks setup. Okay, master wick.
Okay.
Wicks, master wick setup. So now we can add all others concept with it. So what's all others concept? This is a sign of continuation. So this is, it may create a hammer candle, inverted hammer candle, spinning top candlestick here, and then wow setup here. That is the wow setup here, wow setup here, and then this is the market structure. It's a momentum situation. So now if we see any level immediately here, that is a strong level by the seller side, that time 50% chance it can break this level and go up, and market may reverse from here. That time it's better to avoid. But if we see there is no level, or there is a level but that level breakout happen already, that level breakout happen, so that time also it's okay. We can also place our trade here to upward direction after observing, that means after observing these three candlestick, 1 2 3. So we have opportunity in the fourth candlestick here to the upward direction. We can call it the momentum rules, we can call it the master wick rules. We can take confirmation from this single candlestick pattern, continuation candlestick pattern. We can take confirmation from wow setup, and we can take so many confirmations. And then 1 2 3, that means first candle, it just validates situation step by step. It's increasing the volume, that means market is stronger here by the buyer side. And then wow setup here, it's a continuation setup here, and then it's a like it's a master weak setup here. So now we can easily place our trade here to the upward direction. So that is
I
also
have a
perfect.
question.
Yes, yes.
What if there is no like spinning top candle? What if it's a normal candle? Is it
Yes, it's
still
a normal
valid?
candle. No, it's not a big issue. Just it's an example. If we see this is a candle that is a spinning top, but if we see this size candlestick, but it's fulfill all others condition. That is the volume size. That is the wick size, upper wicks, lower wicks. So that is also perfect. Okay,
Okay.
but the main thing is we must follow it. If is there any level here that immediate level and it close exactly at this level, so that time we don't have any opportunity in this case because it may reverse the market, because if it face any extreme sellers entry point area, so market may reverse from here. But if there is a level
Okay.
and it's the early stage of the market, level breakout happen, definitely our entry point is here, and then we can place our trade. If we get this candlestick, that is our extra confirmation. It's a continuation candle. Okay, it's a
Okay.
continuation candle. That is our extra confirmation. We can place our trade with high confidence. Okay, so now
And this must be at the beginning of the trend, right? Or end of
yes,
the
yes,
trend.
definitely beginning of the trend, because
Okay.
if we observe that type of situation at the last stage, market may immediately reverse. So that
Okay.
will create problem. Okay, here when and if we see, if we can take both side confirmation, that is very this 1 2 3 and that 1 2 3, this is the strong situation, a strong strategy.
Okay.
Then this one, why? Because this is also okay, it's also okay, but this is very perfect because we are getting two sides confirmation,
Confirmation.
two
Yes.
sides confirmation from the buyers, strongness, strongness, but here from the sellers, weakness. Then first time strongness, then sellers weakness, then again buyers strongness. That's why that will give us a very perfect winning ratio. Okay, so
Okay.
now I'm going to the chart. Okay, I don't know, this health condition is not so okay today.
Sorry about that.
Okay, so here, okay, so try to understand here. That was previous downtrend market, and it covered 50% level and round number level, and then volume is low. This candle volume is low. Now when market create, that is little jump down, what I was talking about, that is little jump down and below the resistance level, and this volume is high now. Okay, so when this candlestick volume is now high, so that means sellers stronger. We already got confirmation that was a strong situation because it's a downtrend pattern. This is high, this is low, this is lower high, this is lower low, and then market create another lower low, a lower high, this one, another lower high. That means first high is this one, second lower high, lower high, and then this one second lower high, first lower high, second lower high, and this is lower low, lower low. That is definitely a downtrend market structure. Okay, and market create that situation below this round number level with high volume after getting rejection. Okay, so and there is another hidden level, that is the 50% level. So market got rejected from the 50% level also. And first time we confirm that it's a downtrend market, that is one situation. And another situation is that means sellers are stronger, definitely. That's why it's falling down, market is falling down now. And this situation create another confirmation, that is the that confirmation is
No demand.
the weakness situation and no demand situation. Okay, no demand,
Yes.
no demand situation. And then when after no demand, again supply start from this resistance level with high volume. So when it's create that type of situation, that is our entry point. We can easily enter from here. And is there is a
So
level? Yes.
It did not break the previous level, but it's still okay because of the high volume, correct?
Yes, it not break the previous level. That means it not break this level, that level. Okay, basically, okay, let me draw here. Okay, that was the support basically. Okay, it closed the
Yeah, it didn't
exactly in the
break it.
support level. It like little above, exactly close at this level, exactly close. Okay, so
Okay.
now if we observe this three candlestick, what's the shape? This one.
Evening star, I believe.
Exactly, evening star. Where's the key level here? That's the key level.
The Doji candle. Yeah.
That's the key level. When this candlestick a little go above, and another level is here also. So we can place our trade above this rejection point or above that level here to the downward direction. That's
Okay.
the perfect entry point hour. Okay. But when
Okay.
market create that type of situation, downtrend market movement, strong movement to the sell side or to the buy side, so definitely it will create when high volume. So that definitely it's a strong. Okay, although it's
Okay.
creating this type of, but if we see this support exactly here, same area here, same area. Okay, same area, and
Okay.
then market and another support here, that means it's the extreme buyer's entry point area, and then market is just moving in this area, market not creating high low lower high lower low, it's the same low, it's again same low, that will different situation. Okay, that time we don't have any opportunity, that time it may
Okay.
got rejected from this support level with high volume, that means buyers may enter in the market from that rejection. Okay, from this area by that weeks in this bearish candlestick, that's why more possibility next candle go up, so that will create problem. Okay, so when market
Okay.
this type of high low lower high lower low, that time although it close exactly at this area, so it's not any big issue, because we have to just follow, if we get any pattern, if we get any shape, we have to just follow the key level and we can easily place our trade to the direction of the trend. Okay,
Okay.
so in this case of the rejection, okay, the upper rejection and the lower rejection, so it's looking like this one, and that one. There is a sequence here. Okay, there is a sequence here. It's low, little higher, larger. So that is that is the
Sorry.
one sequence. One sequence is correct. But suddenly what happened? This one low, this one higher, and this one again more low or same size as this one. Okay, so in this case we will not take that situation. Okay, we will not take that situation
Okay.
as a master week, because it may not work, market may reverse. When we get the perfect situation, then only we can expect the here it's also not okay, because the middle point, this one is not okay in this case. So basically in a momentum type situation, we have to find out that situation, and if we take the perfect situation with higher volume, like this type of volume, so we can easily take a trade and that will give us winning trade. Okay, so that's the master week. So but these 1 to 3 very perfect. Okay, this one to this type.
Okay, because the master wick is difficult to
Yes,
understand, but the
difficult to
one, two, three
find
is
out
very
also.
clear.
Yes, but
Yeah.
it will you will get this type of situation again and again, because when there is a pullback, when one party is stronger and pullback, and then another party again enters in the market, so that is very very easy, because we already know that it's a stronger, then it's a weakness, then again stronger. So we have to go with the strong party. That is the 1, 2, 3. So first strong, then second weak, then third again stronger, and previous market downtrend. So that's the strong situation, and last one, that is the strong situation here by the seller side. So that will give
So
us winning trade.